All right, hello. So this is my outline for my second grade class for the website. So the first tab that I would have would be like the welcome page and a little bit about me. So it would have my contact information. It would have like the hours that I'm available during the day to have meetings or to talk on the phone, when I'm going to be sending emails and reading emails and stuff like that. And then it's also going to have about my education, so like with the degrees that I have, where I got my degrees from, what my degrees are in, furthering education, stuff like that. The second page that I would have for the website would be a Q&A forum. So this is going to be where questions are asked to each other, to myself. So there's going to be an option for student-to-student questions. So a student can pose a question to another student, and they can answer each other. They can ask each other questions, give each other feedback. The next option would be student-to-teacher. So when kids are at home doing their homework and they have a question, they can put it in the forum. It'll let me know that there was somebody put something in the forum. I can go in and answer it. And then there's also an option for a parent-teacher. So this would be a parent sending me a message through the website, any questions, comments, concerns. It'll be parent to teacher, teacher to parent. And then there will be an option for parent to parent. So this will be for parents to contact each other, ask each other questions, just get to know each other. They can bounce ideas off each other. PTA stuff, like classroom parents, stuff like that, where they prep for stuff. And each one of these forums are going to be separate. So students cannot get into the parent-teacher or the parent-parent. Parents cannot get into like this. Well, parents will be able to see all of them, but students will not be able to see these. They'll all be private, so it'll be a safe space for people to talk. And then I have the weekly homework page, and this will be broken into all the subject areas, so ELA, science, math, social studies, and possibly even specials, so like art, music, gym. If there's any homework in their specials, that would also probably go in here. And then it'll have sections, so homework for the week for each content area will be here, and it'll be accessible for parents, for students, whoever needs to see it. It'll all be there broken down. And then we have a page for weekly lessons. So here I will put like my recorded lessons. So if I'm recording a lesson during the week or pre-recorded something for the lessons coming up in the week, it'll go in this section. And also something that I wanted to put here are frequently asked questions that students are asking me while I am teaching. And I think that if it's being asked more than once, it's important to write it down and give an answer, because if it's asked more than once, it's most likely going to be asked again. If it's asked 4 times during the class, it's probably going to be asked at home during homework. So I would like to put all the frequently asked questions here that come up during class. And then also assignments that are completed during the week. So whatever we're working on in the class that's going along with possibly the lessons or the homework, that's going to also be put here so parents can see what we're doing in class. And it also gives the parents a chance to see what their kids are doing in class, and it'll help them to learn the content as well. And then we have a weekly and monthly newsletter. So in this, it will be any upcoming tests and quizzes for the week or the month. It will be any holidays, birthdays, any parties we're having in the classroom or events we're having in the classroom, any like school functions, so it can be abroad. Like if field day, for example, is coming up, it'll be on there. It'll be mostly geared towards classroom stuff, but I'll also add in the whole school events that are going on. And also in the newsletter, it will also have what we're going to be learning about in the weeks to come. So what we're going to be learning in science, what's the topic going to be, what chapters we're going to be learning, so they can follow along in their textbooks, or in case parents want to look it up or they want to look ahead and get a feel for it. It'll have all that stuff in here for all subject areas as well. And then the last page is the digital archives. So this will be any and all audio files, digital recordings. It'll be anything that's not based on the lessons, because the lessons are going to be here. So nothing that's based on lessons will be in the digital archives. It'll be like read alouds. It'll be any audio files that we create in the classroom, any recordings that we do in the classroom, videos we create, anything that students are creating on their own that's a digital file. It's all going to be right here in one spot. So that's going to be sectioned off into, the different areas that's going to be in here. And definitely there's more to come on the website. This is just my outline. I definitely have a lot more I think I can put into this as time goes on. We could probably add a couple more pages into this if I see something that I think should be split up. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. I am here to help. I appreciate you looking at my outline and what I have going so far, and I look forward to what's to come. Thank you.